YouTube, wanna deal with? Welcome back to David and HD. Alright, new bang off a movie. Money changed me. You wanna find out how money changed me? Watch the story and watch it unfold. Remember, comment your favorite part, like up a movie, share up a thing them. Alright people, also if you feel like generous and want to donate, I just appreciate it. You can always reach out to the number right here. I just see the link we and say, hey, good job, are you rated thing? That's no problem whatsoever. But in the meantime, get some popcorn, get a family, and just enjoy. This is how money changed me.
Yeah?
Thank you, sir.
Stressful right now. All the things I go through right now.
Oh, God. They say me just come from their grandmother and give me 2 pasta and 2 beans.
But they are not 2 pasta, that are 1 pasta and 1 baked bean.
Me put on one in the kitchen.
Oh, now you're talking.
When I come say for the one we look about, you know, because she a cooking up. So me don't know if I will look about it now or later.
Yeah. Grandma cook for you?
Yes, she said she a cook over there. So me don't know if you want. Me look about this and let me well feel that hungry. Because if you're hungry, that's why me I say, so I look about it.
I don't think say we should eat this now. I have a friend. His name Davi. He 2 hours apart from we are little boy. We used to kind to each other till we like some we grow rich. We grew up poor.
Yeah,
So we used to kind to each other when we did poor. We still poor. So this I know would I like to bring a go game like what you say grandma. So you can eat. I don't eat for a morning.
What eat for a morning?
David, my friend. I'm there think about the dog. If the dog really hungry or what. So the next one now, when I just look about that, look come on, give David that one and wait till grandma don't cook me sure if he 1, 2, 3, 4 hours.
So, no man, you can't do that.
Do you understand that we are good youth and I'm
No, I understand. Thank you. Understand, but guess what? Hold on.
Do you think we alone go through the look there? Peanut butter I pick me off your eat.
Because we don't have nothing else.
Bag.
We don't have nothing else at the moment. We don't have nothing else at the moment.
So think about others. Like how we don't have nothing, think about the rest, farm to the rest.
Alright. If I not me, you can't give it to you. Either do it for you. As long as I know if I did him would have get back, you know.
Well,
you do it.
Actually, yeah.
But I say I could have put it on and have to eat later.
But we have one already, you know, 2 of them I say. We put on one and bring this come.
We could have that flip bone later and the other one tomorrow. We don't know what tomorrow brings.
Yeah, tomorrow, be there for itself. Tomorrow, nobody can tell to what tomorrow. Tomorrow, we can wake up and miracle pass through life and we just rich all of a sudden. You don't believe in miracle?
Yeah.
Now go check him. I'm most hungry. My mind tell me.
Right.
You can't know, say me over here, so I have something to eat and my belly full and my dog. And you over there, I know a situation and my belly not full. So, I'm so sorry to take care of yourself.
Yeah.
Lily one, stay inside.
Come in. You want some water? You want water? No worries, just sing.
Long time, man, I suffer. I try to make it out of the gutter. Why, Father God, I tell you, but the rough, hard life not easy, you know. It's when you're poor, it's a hell of a sin. It come like a sin. Father God.
And there's no water left in the fridge. I'm gonna kill me, man.
David!
Yo!
I pray, bro.
Somebody I do me that. Why pray?
Dog, from your walk I come, bro, me see it for you.
What?
I say, man, look hungry, man.
I know some hungry.
Boy, Davi, rough, you know, dog. And this alone me could have find, you know. Rough, dog. For me, I forward 3 gate, bro. Me see I been up in a element P, bro, like hungry. I twist your child, bro.
Suppose I had no belly, I had no, you know some hungry.
Davi, remember say 12 years suffer, Davi. Don't make you look so, man. Nobody nah hear it, bro. Nothing wrong if we suffer, bro. You have bad days, you have good days, bro. Ups and downs, bro.
Dog, my life come like how it's a bad day. You know me can't say that. How is your cat?
Bring them around to eat, dog. So my granny will cook some food, dog. So I have to think about it, bro.
God no.
God know that I can't. I couldn't find no mackerel. I know this probably not eat good with the baked bean.
Brother, I could have this alone, bro. Actually, I'm grateful. I tell my lion, simple as not. I say, I have my belly, I have me hungry, my belly hungry.
So then I not see it, brother.
3.5 days now, I don't know. A while ago, I go in the fridge for see if now iceless for see if I can go out. None of that. No, a different piece of hungry that I want for that. I'm saying, I was right now, I'm some bread out there. You see, I have 2 chips on there. Man.
So I tell bro, yo, you ready, dog? Cut this in half, bro, and cook half your mom's today. Cut the baked bean in half. Mix it with the baked bean and put on the next half till tomorrow or later, bro. But question, I'm saying a real youth and a far come from me. If one out be make it, like for example, you make it before me. I think me for rich too.
Oh, you mean if you're for rich, bro? Let me tell you how I'm pray. You sent me as a man. Jesus Christ, you can't jack up. I'm back in my past. As a man, I believe everybody on my team for rich. I believe that to how for rich, nobody knows supposed to know. Hey, you know, say that man they are rich one, that man they are rich one. If everybody rich, then if you pick and choose which one we are going to refuse them. You know, if you say that man there, I nice one or so, bro, you know. Might be me might cuter than you, which is true, you know, but me might not be richer than you. So I pray, bro.
If me reach 1:59, my dog have reached 2 o'clock.
God no, bro. Believe me, cannot even know what different that. This come like back in the old days when we were in middle school. We did what you call it? Nutribon.
Nutribon.
Yeah, dog.
Bro, just have patience, bro. One day, things are gonna work out for you, bro.
Right now, I don't know what you're doing.
Just eat that, bro, and mix little sugar and water, bro, because I couldn't find a quench shade or nothing, bro.
I really don't know.
You have sugar?
Good milk, water.
Alright. Yo, man, I go back pan you ready now.
You're right, you know.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, bro.
Alright. Baby! Babes! Babe, man, some good news, you know. Some great news here. Babes, cheer up, man. You don't hear me say me have good news.
I'm hungry right now.
Baby, just easy.
I think I have the energy for that. God no. What you say, B?
Listen to me and say, man. You know, see how hungry. Okay, I hit my come to talk to you about.
Where you get them from?
No, me get it from
B,
you.
make sure say no thief. You got
Yeah,
thief
but
in the car. No matter how we are suffer, make sure say no thief. You got thief. This side no. And where you get this from?
Baby, me not do no teeth and no matter how life hard, I will never do that. A Tibby carry for me. Tibby carry for me. And say, his grandmother must see a cook. And he must get them and he say, "Man, give me one."
So what are they? What are they? Tibby carry this a come.
Yeah.
No man. Tibby a good man, you know. So imagine you have it. So you have nothing to eat, money be mother.
Say, grandmother cooks them, must have something to eat. Cause I'm a matter of babes. So when I come, you know, I'm prideful and I don't like chat my business and I hold me out of my belly.
Hold on, I don't cut a day. I don't like a style in here. You really come out to make it look like say hungry a killer for you. Put the white scar I take your mouth. No man. Why pop? No. See make to be really see this
You know,
you know your friend here and stuff but look white scar I take your mouth man.
Me there.
Alright, continue to talk now.
Free if you suffer in my own yard, you know. Yeah, go out the road, go show up myself, you know. Go me and say, when I forward, I roll up, cause I'm hungry. I kick me one at a time. You wonder if I see you feel when you have period. Cause if I saw you feel, me glad me a man. Yep. I say ain't forward. If forward, he say, get up man, I know say hungry. I want to tell him say I lie, but I never have the energy. And he bless me with them and I say, most of the things tough, but I have to remember to say the way.
See, Tibby, I want good friend. And right now, good friend better than pocket money. I like me I tell. Because imagine you know, he having pregnant baby mother and he still come out of the way to care pasta con give. I want to baked bean. Hey, you know how them are there at supermarket right now? You know what you want in a baked bean?
Yes, I know, so I never even remember say Kayla over there pregnant.
You never remember?
I remember. Man, he come like say he hungry so I go to my brain sometime. I mean I think right now I appreciate him all 10 times more. I appreciate him all 10 times more. Cause imagine female man over there. Female man could lay all the tougher than we, you know, cause I told she a feel for him.
Exactly. You see it? So that tree person that right now, you know, him plus him baby mother and a baby inside. I remember, you know, when we can't hold the hungriness, she can't hold the hungriness.
Right now.
So, right now, I really appreciate this, you know, be. But I feel one way.
What make?
You mean by what make the.
What you feel?
Just looking at the girl pregnant, you know, and you tell me, say, the grandmother cook. What if the grandmother cook was she or the baby no one?
No worry about it. If the fact say he must think about all that and he can't come. You see, if him think about all that and he can't come, that means saying able. We feel just glad that God find our way for them. Take a long time we have suffer.
Yes, we understand, but what if there's always a if? What if in care this can give me and you just to please we and them not have nothing to eat? You look into that? Eh?
Yeah.
Remember, you know, good friend. Remember, say good friend can't tell a lie, you know. Say, we good man, we alright man, believe. And at the end of the day, they're not good.
Alright, you have a point, but you can't come already. At this moment, me not good and you not good. So I have to try myself good. You see, if your roles reverse and we can repay a favor, I'm going to do it in the future. We're going to watch when I come favors. Carry come, you give you a chance to eat. What if we never get nothing to eat and then you have to kick it till we kick over? So we just have to look for that now. Yeah, don't worry about it. Tell her, just want to create, man. I don't make nothing stress out. I'm making it here. Put it to me and try and the onion where you like. Big pepper too.
That's if I can find one for you.
I'll go together. I'll make it special.
Oh, Father God, grant our wishes. Please, may I beg you.
Layla, stand up. Tap it on my face. Tap it on my face. Here, girl. Yes, no, I don't want any. Try it now.
B!
Yeah?
Reach back.
Maria.
Then what? You know say it come like me did right.
You do what?
You know say the man did a dead for hungry. Me go over there go see man curl up like S. As a matter of fact, like Sineal, you know, Sineal curl up and you throw salt on them, how they look. I say man curl up over there, hungry a box man left, right, center, up, down. Me go out the box, in the box.
Me no say hard.
Why?
People out there go through worse than we.
My chest is heavy, but it come like one piece of burden lift up off of my chest when me do what me do for Davi.
Me tell you, all me have to say be, me just want to make sure say, you know, do the same for you. You understand?
Then no more swear talk about B.
Cause see we give you the little macaroni, they know what we are going to do when tomorrow comes. We don't have no idea what tomorrow brings.
I'm tired to tell you, talk worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow prepare for itself. That me always a try to knock in your head, but you come like you brain them too tight. Your brain squeeze up.
My brain not squeeze up.
No worry about
Me have to
tomorrow.
worry about certain things. This is a life hard pan way.
Worry about today.
So I cannot understand. We have one baby in a pan side right so and one in a belly. What we are gonna do? We start so from last year up till now we can't move. It can't budge. What we are gonna do?
Which part of us the baby born and suffer? You know, see baby well alright, and ramp and enjoying peanut butter in a little body bag.
Yeah, it finished, mama. Finish.
You know much peanut butter and all that I tell the people say it finish. I waste food you know.
No food now, yes.
Make you pick the yam out wine in bag completely.
Jesus Christ. Anyways, your grandmother sent over the food.
Oh.
So you want the food?
What you mean? Hunger kill me so.
I wonder if I forgot to put overnight pasta. Bae!
Yeah,
Your phone a ring.
yeah, come.
Hurry up now, come remember see another credit.
Yeah, come.
Hurry up.
Hello? Yes, good morning. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Alright. So my uncle dead though.
Oh God.
No, me never know him. Because that thing don't really matter, but me here say me and I will.
Eh?
Me here say me and I will. My uncle Timai. Time man they have more house than me hear saying put me in a will PS, but me wonder if I just like look at idiot sitting and put me in there for. Time man they have money babes. I lie you call me a while ago, but me no want to.
So, no. Hold on there. You don't know him. You and him have one good connection. And he put it in the will.
My mother and him good.
Call him back. Call him. Oh, I figure say no credit.
Yes, you see my mother, I did my mother best brother, but since mommy passed, he never really reach out to me, so I don't know if might be because of mommy. He said, alright, right. Because he not pick anything himself.
You sure say?
Him have the last
You
name.
sure you hear right thing a while ago see the inner the will?
The lawyer called me, lawyer Francis. He called me and said, hello, is this Davi? Didn't call me by my last name too. And I say, yes, this is him who's speaking. He might tell me, say, him the attorney for the whatever office and blah, blah, blah. And I say, in regret for inform me, say, Uncle Timmy pass. However, he left my name and I will. And by next week, I don't know what I'm going. Yes. My son said, my uncle didn't know, but you see, if in do what me thinking do, yes, we are going, alright. If I really want to think, what me thinking do, it should have a long time.
You're gone too far now, B. You know, so we are struggle. And you get the will. And right now, I feel like whole heap of bird come out from me. By hearing about the will. But what do you mean by man should have a long time?
You never do nothing for me. Look how long me I suffer, him have much care. You never do nothing for me. He do nothing for you. Look how long me I there, and the 2 hours suffer, him never do nothing for you neither. You should have glad.
That's true.
You should have more than glad. But as I said, nothing to confirm it. So by later on, if you get a call back, you know what I'm going. But you say, I really next week, everything will confirm. If, as you know, tell me, if me get no amount, or she left on house to me, or maybe he just put me and say, big up.
Alright, here what going on be. I'm going to have to put overnight pasta. Let's see me right so hungry, I twist my tribe. And remember, the first thing we do after we eat the pasta, we are going to try and get some crate or go big one car or something for here what go on.
You
understand?
How about that?
I see how God work, no sure?
I don't go over Tibby and so on, man.
So you go over Tibby?
Eat the pasta, man. I don't want nothing.
You don't want nothing?
You survive, man. What's enough big and thick, you know?
No, so I still have some fear. Come on.
Thanks, really. I know you don't want to, but the most you want it more.
Come here, mama. Come here. Kayla. Nothing here, I'm tired. How would that?
Hey, Kayla, check it out.
Hey!
Hello?
Oh, hello. Tibby there?
Yeah, Timmy's here.
Oh, Davi.
Oh, Davi?
Yeah, man,
Oh, come
I
here.
Davi. Come in, Davi.
Mama.
Oh, yeah, dear mother.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, hi.
Thank you
Nice to
so
meet
much for you.
Anyway,
Yeah, man.
so everything good?
Yeah, me dog. What's me up now where from?
you. You can sit down.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, you can sit down.
Oh, your family lovely, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes.
That and maybe every man.
Come, mama.
Our son in my belly, yeah.
Come, sit down.
Alright, what me ask you still? You know, say, it's some good news me get, man. Tell the good news. Well, a great news to me. You see me, I'm saying, but I want to share news for you.
You win the laptop? Just tell me that.
You know, see my uncle dead though.
You what?
My uncle passed away.
So, have you did a smoke?
No, I don't see more, bro.
So, oh, your uncle Fidel and a good news that?
Oh! You don't understand. Alright, watch that. Uncle, you be active, man. My uncle passed away, bro, but it look like he left me in a will. And my uncle that come like a Bill Gates.
Will?
Yeah, the will when you people in there and they write up paper with who take money and hold to shoot up sitting and home and so. So, he like called me since morning and I say, his name in there. You see me? So, how exactly in there now?
So,
And what? But if when me think it happen, my uncle and me, you know, my uncle, the man when me and look up to, yes, if I when me think happen, me go nice. And you go nice too. And you know my brethren, isn't it? If I really say, yo,
a long time I believe in you, know.
let me show you.
A long time I believe, yo. I didn't know, say, if me not make it, you did have to make it and see how make it now, even though it not happen yet.
Watch out, it's not happen yet, but I say, I want to share good news before, you know. I just stop me, I say, bro. But regardless, I just stop me come over if you tell that I can't. When me hear this man, it's like, I couldn't hold you, I walk out the house and back flick and sitting. Because yo, my mom's hungry, you know, and your body. And my papi is sitting there, the pasta from last night, you know what, and he tell me them all that something, me have to be just smell that, man. And you can't even share it.
Yo, I tell nobody about this, you know. Because you know you have some people out there, bad men and envy, you know, bro. This is just between who they are and your woman over there, you know, bro.
Ah, so yes, man, believe me, bro.
Make sure you don't switch up on me, you know, because guess what? Money dog always change friend.
You believe so?
You build them and change them.
Bro, to how long me suffer, me not think nothing can change me, dog. I just need that still.
Well, we'll see next week, because me there first, you know, bro.
I do want to survive, and if everything is active, make it active, you know?
I hold me there, I hold it. Like, not two banana make me plan to go to the cut them to crush it out of the area, bro. And give mother, me will go, because I need banana, bro. Doctor say banana have iron, bro.
You know, like iron.
But me have no opinion of iron. Me have with iron, bro.
Yeah, I say me I can show you so,
Layla, shut up.
Layla in him.
Yeah, Layla.
Hi. Hello.
You rude, you see that, man?
Alright, me I say, but me I live still. Baby mother,
All right.
Yeah, yes, sir.
You see how God good and God great. What did I tell about yesterday?
Say, my good friend.
Alright, suppose we never bring all the pasta to give man and the baked bean. You won't even come over here so come tell me about that.
You don't know that. You don't know that.
The next week we're alright. We're alright next week.
Hopefully.
Yeah man, hopefully man, just cross your finger, keep your finger.
But we can't too depend on that. As in that I said before, because when I tell me him, I say about how the uncle did and how England, me I say, no sir, what kind of person this year?
Then if you have an uncle and you suffer rich and you get a good opportunity like that with that name pan will and everything, you know most glad saying that. More than glad too.
Yeah, but I feel a way. I feel some type of way.
How you feel when the time you know say you'll be filthy rich?
Remember, say money can bring happiness.
You ain't
And a family.
If money can bring up happiness, transfer it to my account when we have, and we will show you say it can bring happiness. You better go on this, okay? Come like you know
Remember, say you pick pick the banana.
Oh, you don't pick a pick banana. You feel a mango?
Go cut the banana.
Alright. Layla! I'm going to have a banana today.
Hello. Madam, pick up the broom and cut me, please. Because you get realize you know no manners. You're rude.
Mama, me the right at headquarters I wait for you. I don't know, mommy me go buy me suit, you know? Your son me come look for me if you look good. At 20,000 I pay for my suit. Babe, hurry up and come. I wait for you, baby. What go on?
Yo, dog, why you look so clean?
Why? That's you don't even know money by them I think I know you.
How are you come from?
No man, you know easy man. That's a suit name man.
Yo, them suit are mad, you know, dog.
You know say yesterday I go buy a suit. Down a moment go buy 20,000 for a suit.
Yo, dog. Yo, I wish me could have lived like you know, bro.
I just one day, bro. Remember say I just work and believe in a dog. I want one girl me fi go check, you know. Yo, other day me give girl 70 grand you out. Let me give girl 70 grand. The girl give me one Bombardos Panadol pill. The girl link me, you know.
70 grand.
70,000 you
You
out.
start one of your family them to start one business.
Start what kind of business? The girl when me say me a wait pan is a girl who first give me front.
Oh, so she give a Panadol instead of the front.
Right, and take me 70,000.
I saw them little dear
But you know the
pharmacy
funniest
show.
thing about it? I see me there wait on right now, you know. And this time I'm not 70, me have 120,000 me have. Can me get a piece of brick and a braff, more and braff, you know.
Boxer,
Chasing me
yo.
there I'm easy and non talk.
Right now, I wish me could have lived like you.
I'm tell you, just sometimes you sometimes you have to just believe in yourself and know. Say if you believe and you trust God, it will happen. Might be too slow, but it will happen.
Yo, you know, say me have a dog by the name of Davi when me am far from school days.
Yeah.
The dog forget a thing, give me a thing out there, but you know, confirm until next week, so I there wait for
So hold on. Let me ask you one question. You sit down and wait for the next man money?
Yeah, bro, remember, so we are friends, you know.
No, brother, no sessa man. Watch you, man. Me and your friend in the dog. Me know want you have up the style, you know, bro. Remember, you know, if it seem like how me give girl my money, and me sit down up and wait for her for forward, and she pill me and not give me front, and then now you sit down and wait for a man money, and then the next thing you don't have nothing for offer a man. Eh? Remember, you don't have a front, you know. So where you sit down and wait for a man money. Better work for your own, bro.
Brother,
That's not
you
good.
don't get the point, bro. The point is, me and Davi
You
are
think
come
a
from.
pencil pint, this one, what kind of pint you talk about?
But we are come from primary school.
That
one
not
year,
nothing
she
to
bought
do with it, bro.
One tin of milk, share for 2 hours, you know.
Brother, nowadays you can't trust nobody. Leave your woman where you lay down in your bed with.
You can't corrupt against my
Me
friend.
not corrupt against your friend, but me just a teacher say if you work for your own and don't sit down and wait for your next man money, bro. A whole heap of side work out there, you know.
Bro, the 2 hours we are suffer it out, bro. I will not stop suffer it out till we make it, bro. Where they tell me, say?
One thing me can say, you know, me I go see which one we lucky. Me I go see if you will get the money or me I go get the girlfriend. So we will know what go on.
Something wrong with it. You're that much.
Mama, where you say there? You there near? Say so me I get it. You sure, man? Jesus Christ, alright. Yo! Mama say me I go get in front. Make sure say you get the money where you sit down and wait pan.
It's the next bill, lad.
Hey, I wait for a man money. Yeah, you hear that?
Baby. The place nice, man.
But what's nice of me I want to wash the door.
Worry about that, man. Them they can dash it too. Rich now.
Eh?
So them they can dash it, man. Rich now, baby.
No, I'm not sorry go.
Yeah, no, sorry, though.
We dash a good old cushion them. Eh?
Yeah, but we can buy new ones and they're not too active again.
Hold on. Like I said,
Yeah, make it look nice.
I hide the park. I remember so when I have money, you know, so I hide it. Look at those.
You know how money. You're going like you don't know so everything come true. It means so we don't have money. So rich now. You know that. You don't know that.
Tell me something.
Yeah.
How much money I get?
If you tell her the truth,
Yeah, why would I lie to me?
I get 50 million.
Huh?
50 million. Hold on. Before you get excited and crazy, you have 50 million in total to get, but because of legal proceedings, you only have access to 2 at the moment. You recite the family dispute, you know, because I don't know what happened now. I don't know if I poison him, try poison me and sleep or what. Cause like I'm here alone, man left money too. So who now screw a twist. So everybody have something to say. But only 2 million we can access right now. But baby, 50 million I'm rich. I'm gonna buy a GLE.
GLE with the 2 million,
No, not with the 2 million. We have everything.
Before you talk about GLE or whatever. So much a plan for give me?
Yeah, we can't get no money yet.
So, you have access to 2 million, right?
Yeah.
So, I have access to how much a plan for give me?
No, I mean,
Out of the 2 million.
we can't get no money yet, baby. Remember, I said that's too that we don't have the whole of the thing yet. We can't get one little fraction out of one little fraction. That don't make no sense.
What do you mean by you can't give me one little fraction out of one little fraction? Remember, we share everything together, so you get 2 million now out of the 50, right? So, what you mean by you can't give me? So hold on, let me ask you one question. So, about Tibby, you plan to give him no money?
I say I'm not Tibby time yet. I'm not no money yet, baby. I don't money yet, can't get Tibby. Right now, you must all like me, because for a week, I not even go over there. I'm tell him, say, I give him a thing, but through my money never come yet and to stress me out. Just when he come now, I know everything good, so I plan for y'all. If he don't link me, I link him today. But I can't give him nothing yet, baby. But watch it, you make one good point. You see like how you say, I may always share everything. How much you want out there if you starting? Can you send a big money this, you know? You send a big money this. How much you want out there for yourself?
We will take like 700k out of 2 million.
Don't worry about that, man. That's the least, baby. Don't worry about that.
And then you can check Tibby and give him peace and money, right?
When him big money forward, man, him talk about that. But for right now, I don't think I should tell him nothing yet. I tell him everything left on pause, cause
I don't like how your son be. I don't be biased. I don't like how your son and I can't hold him no longer.
oh,
The man have him baby mother waddy and him baby mother pregnant, right? And the man come give him baked bean and pasta. And he never complain when he carry come. So what you mean by you can't do him right now when the big money come? You can't at least bust the man for one little change.
alright. You talk your truth. You talk your truth. Yeah. Alright, tell her. I'll cut off 2 off my 5 or 700,000. I give you 5. For right now, just for right now. Here? Just for right now. And I get to be a thing. Alright?
Alright.
So I'll link him and give him a thing, you know. About baby, everything good, man. Rich. Remember so rich? You remember so rich?
Yeah, right, we're rich.
We rich?
Yeah, we're rich.
Okay. Don't worry about it. I'll link him right now, because I must have me as me say.
Okay.
Right now up the beach, me I can go up a Burcom hardware, go see if me can sell back this. Because things rough, you know.
Yo!
What you do with?
How you do? You do? How you
Go outside.
You big work you don't give me no work, I say me out broke and hungry.
I wish if I that did a go on. How long now me not see? I already did it about 2 weeks now, Davi.
I won, man.
I won.
Why?
I can't.
So me stress out and sitting, bro, because remember I look up, I tell us might be come true, might be not come true.
Yeah.
The money there for me, they don't go. You know, I believe that it can come true, you know, in total.
So give me something now.
Go on, man. Go on.
Oh.
In total. If you get piece of money, you see me? But right now, you don't know, say 5,000 alone, me have access to that $5 Jamaican $1,000.
Come like, brother, you know, say from what you lose it, bro. You come like you take coke or something, bro.
How?
Out of so much money?
I never tell you no amount, brother, but me I tell us, listen to me, I say, if you're supposed to get some more money, you see, cause for my uncle, he wear man rich dog, them I say, how my uncle don't know me, and he put for me name in a will. And like his mother not get nothing, his girlfriend not get nothing, cause he said nothing for his girlfriend, and me alone. So I don't know if I cheat them and cheat him good or whatever. So, in all, if you get around 100,000 or $1 million, they now really tell me, they kind of buy out till I and
okay.
So I fight them, I fight out and watch my mother and me, I said, yo, I'm hungry, I'm saying something no. They said I feel like $30 or so, dog. But watch on man, watch on face, dog. I got 2 my little thing, but
yo, you know say come like a godsend, dog. You know what me did I go do a while ago?
what?
At Uppy Beach, me did I go up a Burcom go sell back that two before you for half price, dog. Cause right now me dey a frost and hungry, you know, dog.
Allah tell you.
God bless you for that money, dog.
Allah tell you, bro. That, you know, say if 5 grand I get, Watch out, I get you 5 grand. I say I give you 2 out there. You give my girlfriend 2 and I say I take 1,000 and buy something nice for myself. But I think say ice cream, but right now I not even bother want ice cream. Sorry, I'm not even.
Right now, I can't give my baby mother $1,000 out of this. To split between me and the 2 pitney me. The one in my belly,
God no dog.
and the one we born, and the next 1,000 I can use to buy something nice.
God bless him, man. Glad
Bro.
to hear that, bro. Yo, put on me, I'll carry back 2 before you, man. If you sell a boat, then
I
dog.
believe I better sell that, you know.
Man, I can't then something, dog.
Can't get 2,000 and go and come go sell back that for half price. I go there and get all 5 bills to that then now.
You will not even get nothing more than stylings. But yo, big up yourself, my dog, you know.
Alright, there.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Evening.
Good evening.
Me coming into the area.
Yes.
Need to ask if you know some papers again or replacement.
Which product?
From clothes store, I remember.
That's in there. The Angel Clothes Store.
Yeah.
Alright, up the road, man. But, what's your name? I never see it, the truth. How your name?
And that my after me after the clothes store there.
The clothes store there, right up the road. Just go straight up. Yeah, that's one blue store. Yeah, that's one big sign that say welcome. Right up there, so, but. So you want to know your name, you know?
You want to know my name for?
No, you're just new to the place and I want to make sure you're alright. Post one look emergency at me, I don't know nobody. After a fact, you should have given me a number too. But, which where you come from?
Town.
Town.
Mm-hmm.
And your name?
Jada.
Jada. So I couldn't get your number, Jada.
I'm friend up the service from me.
So you have to go left then.
Yeah.
Alright. But hold on, Jada. Before you go, you're alright.
Yeah, I'm alright.
You're sure?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, let me see. Me can't give you all the money.
Okay.
You travel now, you come in here, but I want next time I get my share, yeah? Yes,
Alright. Thanks.
okay, no problem.
You know, some should I give him the number for true? I give him it. Sir, come here.
That's now Miss Jada.
Really? I never tell me.
Oh, you know some name David though?
Alright, that's it. I make up mind say I give the number. I give.
Oh yeah, tell me that you should say from morning, Jada. Alright, hopefully I see you in that area again.
Alright, later.
Bye bye.
B.
You know something?
How about?
Go
Until
come
they like can ramp. Where the ramp, sir?
Give me the broom. Me just say I come call you.
Oh, you know, say.
After say you know, but I still the piece of food.
No, you know, say. What kind of piece of food you chop?
The piece of 2 before.
The correction, no that we say. You know, say me now about sell it though.
Why? What we are going to eat? I say we not nothing to eat, you know.
Guess who me see?
Who you see?
Davi what me not see 1 week now. He
Davi.
just pull up.
You think I dash away?
Boy, that me think too, you know, but.
Because how long you not come here?
Watch Layla shoot. Layla, come here! Scare and pee. Me didn't think he dash me too. But anyways, he forward and he give me 1 2 grand.
1 2 grand.
I'm going to get 1,000 out there and keep 1,000.
Why get 2 grand for?
He tell me, say, remember I said thing we did a raise about what year?
Mm-hmm.
He tell me, say, you know, fully come through yet, you know. But he get 5,000. And he give one 2,000 out there. And I give me 2,000 because you know, say me have a children to take care of. And do it with a willing and a kind heart. So me will get 1,000 out of 2,000 me get. And keep 1,000 for myself.
Well, at least he remember you.
Me I say me
So, what going for the something why you say, what happened to it? Why not work out?
oh, this is some little problem, some little thing going, but it's sure. I will get through. I hopefully get through.
Could have family member them a try fight him out. Like, you know, say they come on to will, you know, picnic, everybody come down, wife, was all if the uncle didn't married. The whole of them people come down one time.
Yeah, as me say, I see it say, you never did that style me and you not go around me car.
Yeah, that's true, because you have to come here and have money, because I say I get nothing and you know work out.
Imagine when you get all the big money.
Yeah, I can't help you, I can't give you a push start. We can pay him back in return.
I hope say that happen. And you see why good for me, you remember me they give me macaroni and the baked bean?
Yeah.
It's a good something me do.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Well, thank God for that. If I never feel, we don't know that eat later.
Do good and good follow you, be. Always remember that.
Mm-hmm.
I tell you to be right now, it's so hot.
I realize the whole place hot. We go back install AC.
Yeah, with dear father got up and him and cook pork on him something, then take long to turn off his stove. So not alright through today. Be a big pot him and cook on heaven.
B.
Hmm?
So you didn't tell me what go on when I go over Tibby. You link him, right?
Wait a minute, you and blinking, what's going on?
Oh, see, you give me money.
Oh, yeah man, me boss, me tell you something, I'll give my thing man, that good man.
So how much I give him?
What's that? Yeah, the master,
Come on man, stop that. Why you do that? How much I give him?
me tell you something, I'll have to take off a thing off of you, man. Figure you know, cause I never, it full straight me have it, you know. Must have my big money in a baby. I want to win the game, man.
Yeah, be 200 a game. That's not bad. That's not bad none time. Cause remember say you go take off the 200 off of me 700 and give him the 200. Say you put no more upon like 300, 400, just 2 a game.
2 in the game.
Oh.
2,000, I never tell her 200,000 babes. I couldn't give no more than that.
How much I say a game?
$2,000. I did want to give more now, but listen to her. This when we walk over there, I do walk with $5 grand and I say, alright, me give him that for all and pan. In the meantime, but said time I walk now, I say, yo, my son hot, me take a taxi. By the time I take a taxi, I have to buy 2 water and send pumps $1,000. So I have $4 grand left. So I go over there now. He said, alright, I chat to him more, give me $4 grand, but God no really. I only have to give him 2 and say, I come back a yard now, come in and if I want to take a taxi again. And but you know, say, as I walk out and yard door, it come like a 2,000 just blow away. I don't know if I give him again, because I just dip in my pocket and give him, so I don't know if I 4 or 2 again.
You know, say, you have one workless mentality. How you have to look for a man and get a man who has suffer with a $2,000? Eh? It's not a good style that be.
So much money
It's not a good style that. What you mean by how much are you for give him? Eh? Who say when they beg you outside, right? You should not walk past them and carry the money go give him. You should stop nobody begging no money and give out and issue out no money. And you carry 2,000 give the man. And if you tell him say, you tell me say you go take you go take off 200 off of my money and give him a carry 2,000 give him.
Baby.
No man, you're a wicked man.
Baby, no.
No.
Baby, listen to me, you think about it wrong. You need to think about it in the right way. Remember, so me tell us when me rich, yeah, remember, so we say it now. When me rich, you more rich to me. Let me discuss it already. But baby, me not rich yet. I'm just trying. See, them make you $700 a year and me up, I give you 5. Because what is 1.5 million? That can't even buy it. Can't buy one proper vehicle, baby. Not rich yet.
But you don't have to worry about vehicle right now.
No, but me I show you.
First thing you gotta think about how to flip the money there into some businesses, right? So, alright, well you say when the money come in, you go give me. When the money come in right way, you go give me, right?
I mean,
So,
man, baby, I know big money that man.
alright, so we not worry about. So what happen?
I know big money that. Just there and just feel something for sitting nice tonight. You go to KFC or Island Grill or we go eat out.
I'm not gonna no KFC.
I'll go to a nice restaurant.
Would I go to a nice restaurant? Go eat shrimps, you know, pastas and
Better idea. I can just make me a book on hotel fee night. I dear hotel them. I dear hotel them. Come on, man. Look how long one treat are nice.
Well, if you insist, alright, we'll go.
And buy some clothes. Just make yourself nice. Remember, man, you see, me can't, right now, if two I'm rich, I'd buy one hotel if I did really rich. Baby, I can't worry about that, man. I need big money. Yet. It's nice of yourself, okay?
Alright, honey. easy.
Davi! Davi! Davi!
Oh, Davi could have gone. Pinky! Backside, it sound like nobody not did it.
Girl, they tell me pale like you. And I like people tell like him. Oh, that David and
Oh, that big super on the
there, man.
Where are you?
I say all is good.
All is well. Slav all for girl them.
What you mean, man?
Yeah.
You ever hear something have one woman yet?
Not even one time.
No one burner, dog. Go on to you, man.
So yeah, everything good though.
Yeah, man, everything nice, man. I don't know anything come down, man.
Yeah man, I'm on this man.
Me know, say you're a princess, man.
Right
Because
now,
of
I'll
yourself.
tell you where I come on for now.
I lie.
Yeah, up
I say you live your life.
I mean,
Which hotel?
you know, princess.
A princess hotel not cheap, you know?
Bro, between me and you. You see, the luxurious room.
Yeah. 200,000?
But yo,
How much night did you do for?
I just yesterday evening, say we are going to book in one night. Right now, we even did a 12 hour ago, don't really think about everything. But anything for babes, you know, because we active, you know, bro. Believe me.
Yeah, man, I treat you good, though.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
man,
hope you stay around with the youth, you know?
Yeah.
I go up in a car.
I say I heard, man,
Here,
here.
pass my glass too. In my bag. Glass in my bag.
Jesus Christ, 200,000. Oh, that man, I'm much.
Oh, go on!
There, man, where are you dealing?
There, boy, everything active.
Always active.
Fully, man.
Yo, say they get you with your thing that you say that look about.
You don't say dog style, me do. Alright, me don't know if a styling style. Me not go say that.
How that again? You dey tell me how again?
Davi.
Davi.
I know, you give me $1,000. No, me not see nothing else.
Backside.
Say a 5 grand in get.
I know, so me not too long see you. You man want nice brown girl, you want slim as.
Yeah, that time woman, that time mom's Pinky.
Jesus Christ, the dog tell me say I come off on a little vacation. Boy, watch your dog have on me tell you say come like I am up on moon, he make to watch. What you mean?
When get what from?
I know he look like a 1 million pay feet to look. I say watch look cute.
Alright, no say alright, me I'll link him.
Alright. So you say you ain't get you?
No, bro. With $1,000 alone, me get through it, bro. Oh,
And a big money you tell me say you don't get.
God, man. Watch.
Tell me they tell you what to do, you know.
Big dirty watch. Half a moon.
I say that boy look like man, damn me need that. Me tell him if you know lay wait for a man money, you know. I see them just see David and Sengo bro have 200,000 at hotel and he no give this a man a nothing. Like him a style him. Boy, I eat that.
Right now, next thing we have to buy is a car. I just told me now all of the big money yet, baby. Need to buy a car because we can't walk like this. We're a star now. Beautiful.
Babes, me not gonna lie, I really enjoy this little trip we take.
Enjoy it, man.
Thanks for everything, yeah?
Don't worry about it, baby. We'll go again tomorrow.
Nah, we can go sometime in the next week.
Okay, no problem.
So, now going go change off here.
Alright. Hold on. Not Tibby this, sir.
Davi,
Yo,
what go on?
forward now, man.
Backside, bro. Me pull up my tool and ask for you, know.
Yeah.
Me a call you, bro, like you never did there. Why you look so trash?
Bro,
Where you come from?
yeah, trash dog. I regular clothes this, man.
Regular clothes with all them the big silver chain, them the bossy glass, bro.
Bro, between me and Mega Man, I buy this and that. It's not even real, dog.
So, where you come from between me?
I'm saying, I'm a funeral, bro.
Who dead?
I'm a funeral, where I come from, man.
Who dead?
And I'm my sister, cousin, father-in-law, bro. He me pass away. Funeral, where I come from, man.
Davi, stick up in and sue nigga. How you look like? You collect your money, so you look, dog, something about, you look trash, bro. Make sure say you don't collect your money, no,
Man,
bro.
what you say? Me look like a trash. I come from me have this, brother. If you come, me have this, me have to go on, you know, dog.
No, bro, me I tell you, say you trash out, bro. You look bossy.
The regular clothes. In a sheen chain. Mega Man eyeglass. And me I look trash out. I want to your dog stop frosting, brother. Regular clothes, you know, man.
Well, I did circle early on and I look flow me a big dog because the money where you give me out I $1,000 when me get back. When me give me be mother the next $1,000 buy the bully beef bro, but me short on some flour. You know no flour.
Bro, I don't have flour, nor rice, nor ice in my fridge.
I look so dog with them the silver chain and
My youth, a funeral food, me name dog. I want you, man. It's me not even cook today. A cheap plate, me take. Why can't you tell me say you're hungry and me can't have plate them for you, bro? Watch you know, man, bro. Everything good, man. When me collect your money, you know me, dog.
say you tell me say you no flour at all. No rice, nothing.
Hold on. Me a look.
Yeah, look if even cornmeal, me can knead up the cornmeal and cook the cornmeal with the bully beef dog. I make some bully beef porridge. Man, look, Josh, look how funny my watcher. $1 million watch, say me, you know, man, could die, man. VVS time on the trip.
Bro. Dog, I bully you that you have to know me down crackers and come in. No food in my fridge, dog.
Why? Me nah be ungrateful still, you know. Me a name this. Nah, be ungrateful. This can't stop a girl. Bro,
What I tell
can't get to light.
Yeah, me just ask out, you know.
I mean, man, bully beef and cream crackers, body, you know, bro. Jamaican national dish, not true.
Alright, big up yourself, bro. True, me did the funeral, more wash off it up here from the bro. Me don't want to follow me over.
So, yo, me can't get away for the watcher.
Dog, you know, say, me have to carry back in 7 days.
Alright, me know what you're saying.
Yeah, dog. Me can't catch up your hand. What you want to wear though? When you get your money, me buy one.
Alright. Bully beef and crackers.
So this is my licky, man. No, take on me make a man. I'm just an idiot boy, man. How happened?
I make a stay some.
How? How Mr.
Your friend come beg you, say if you have no flour or no rice, not true?
But babe, me not have no flour, no rice.
Well, I know you not have none. Yes. But you could give him one money to go buy flour and rice. You give him a little bit of crackers when me and him from last night. I didn't even want a whole bag. I want a little bit of crackers done in it. What make you say so? That is not a good style.
Yeah, I can't.
It's not a good style. And the next thing to know, you tell him man about how them are something a mega mart. When how much money, 150,000 me take my ass when I buy them. Huh? And you could look for your friend and say, well, listen, go buy flour and a little sugar.
Yeah.
We are suffer, we still a suffer.
Yeah, man, now suffer.
What you mean by you not suffer?
What kind of, when you could have do 2 grand
Him have a baby mother and he have pitney though.
So you
What two does that can do?
You can't hold him the first time when the animal suffer 2 grand last week or 2 weeks, you know.
No man, me feel one way.
Maybe you
Me feel
can't.
one way
Maybe
just.
you can't.
Let me tell you why me feel one way. I'm not getting on talk to talk right now. Let me just talk. Me feel one way. This is say we just a come here, carry me to a hotel, go spend much money. And you could look for the man give him even 1,000 and say go get some sugar, flour, rice, and we say you want. No man.
Maybe you never asked me for no money yet.
No, man.
Him not
have to ask you. Him not have to ask you none
I
talk.
have it. No, I remember say, alright, watch out. Remember say the first time me and you hungry, you know. And me and you over here so far and I hook up said way, you know. You know, say me not have it for give me, you know, but me remember say me tell us I had big money me I work on. I say I first chop. The first money now I hit me and spend for me and you. Look how long we are suffer, you know how we enjoy ourselves.
Yeah, enjoy yourself for one, but at least I could have give him something. You have to ask her for it.
No man, baby, me tell you, he won't get something, man. He won't get something. Believe me. He won't get something, man.
You know,
You look stressed out. You want me to care about your hotel? You're stressed out.
No. We need to go change. It's just because me and my come stop right us, but it's alright. It's alright.
Wait, you want to buy a burger?
No.
You can't win. Kayla!
Yeah,
Oh, one.
me there.
See, man.
So, did you get through with the flour?
Why no say
That's why me
me
there with pan of fish fry.
never get no flour, but me get crackers with the bully beef, but you know, forward while ago. And so when the road me done, me flinging crackers out for them all the bully beef chop.
Yeah, see on.
Why me feel that way? Me couldn't even turn back. Like all one of the dog all the way with the bully beef and the next one all the way with the crackers.
No man, I say your salt bad.
Why like a Elsha Beach?
But anyways, I mean, I don't want to say stills, because when you got me that watch 2 Snapchat story. So, yo, Davi said nothing to you about this something.
Davi not get through, no?
You not get through?
No?
You sure?
Yeah.
You sure you not get through that?
Davi didn't get through, Davi not link me.
Well, me da watch Pinky stuff because you know say Pinky a hot girl, Pinky do run hard. So Pinky got up a princess last night and then I have one yes.
Go do what?
One celebration did up there. Whenever go on one little party.
Probably she
High party to have to pay a ticket for go in. You have a VIP section and local section. So let me just scroll up on Pinky so get you know Pinky she. It's sometimes she video everything, she don't miss nothing. She video everything. And then when I video them, I could have swear say me see Davi. And the band one a man too. A VIP.
I'm sure.
Me sure na 15,000 for the VIP ticket.
Boy, me kind of believe and me not believe because he don't know what to all about. He bad like a yard.
Hello, little girl. You like see me attack? Come in eyes.
Me say, Kayla, you watch body, bad. Then they watch a deer, you know?
So, me I wonder, maybe I get tramp by be my style, you.
No, me not think that. Too far me and Davi. No, me not think that. No,
Yeah?
no think so. You not get through.
I'm sorry if you not get through, when one of them the big high party, normally me never see him go nowhere.
Probably somebody help him or sponsor him or something to go to a party.
I could sponsor a little flower. Little flower?
If somebody invite that one party. You know,
Yeah, but nobody not pay, nobody not them a hard time. Nobody not get nobody $15,000. If I did $8,000 ban in it have I know it wouldn't so bad with that billing, but $15,000.
Kayla, you don't know that.
Things
Layla, shut your eyes. Shut up. See,
Things look weird.
you say to his daddy, you're alone, you see there. And she not listen to you.
Me not have time for pity. Me was not my blood pressure.
You know what? Come girl, I need to I say, man. Because you know, I'm not saying so.
Me I tell you about your friend and see your friend that
He man not do what you think. He not, why would I want style? Why would I style?
Okay, no worry yourself. We think push come to show.
No, come to show.
Hang there.
You push bro.
Hello. Come here. Come here. You ever think people are wrong for you?
Baby, me soon come here. I left my phone. Get a car me and send her a link up. No, what that mean now? Go away, go and check this. Oh, around here, so. Hi, Jada.
Hi, what?
There, what go on?
I'm glad to see you.
You glad to see me?
Yeah.
For what?
I'm there. I want somebody to show me on the place. They are hungry. I want some free time. I don't know where around the place. Yeah.
Oh, then no say that me tell us say my bliss go happen. Say see a good thing. Say give me your number. Cause see them can share around the world really now. Which way you want to go? You want to go KFC, Burger King, outer space. Which way you want to go?
Do you want to go to KFC go get something to eat?
Oh, you know, see a simple thing that man.
I'm not going to tell the main thing I want to ask if you're single.
Me single?
Yeah.
You want the truth or you want what you want here?
Just tell me the truth if I can work with it.
But I'm not single, you know. I'm single at all. That woman I'm glad me live with and me love and I don't think me go ever left. But me like it though.
Like your woman is here. I can't come here because I want something to stay.
You can come on my yard, but I say yes, I stay. So I tell you, how much they normally rent house off your place?
You know, I'm not sure.
Like 30 grand, 40 grand. Give me an estimate.
Did I get like 35 to 40?
Tell you, you're sure you're on the place. I have two travel now with my still. I'm not too deep on farm, but it's roughly 45 to 50 grand. So just for your pocket money. This is not food money yet. We still have to discuss all of that. So just take this and do 1 month rent. Anyway, at all, you see like if you want more your phone, said way. So which way you see where that one go?
Up on there to get some pay.
Alright, you know, so I have no problem at all to go to data, but You know, so because me walk so long though, it come like one dog around me down and I get tired and so me don't want to lie down for around 20 minutes with the side of me.
Oh, so you want to lie down with me beside of you?
Yeah.
Alright, so come on now.
So, for real?
Yeah.
Come here, where? Oh God.
I want to take time with me now.
Nah, I promise that.
I want to say something to you though.
You want to say something to me?
Yeah.
That's all.
You know, say, I like how you treat me nice.
You treat her nice?
Yeah.
Yeah. What make you say something? I don't feel like I do nothing for you.
Because anything I ask for you give me, you never yet say no. So you look my nails, they look nice.
I'm serious. When babes, if you look so nice, I have to make you look even nicer. I have to do anything for you. Anything I want, anything at all I want, you could get.
But when I stop you know, you go on good in your bed, you know?
Oh gosh, baby, are you going good? I want to go on your top. I didn't know see your body so. You see you're so shy.
Mm-hmm.
But baby, for real, I feel like I like you a lot. And anything at all you want, I could have make you get it.
You know me, I get full of you.
You?
Yeah.
You just get to love me?
Mm-hmm.
You love me from the very first time. You're late. You're late, man. You're late. But baby, yeah, man, you have to jump over, I know. I'm going to no man there yet, bro. You miss me.
That's so, I'm to the thing that I'm going to accept of.
You want ten grand?
Yeah.
Oh. You know, so it come like me never walk with no money for me though. Alright, here. Me go link you back in a few and make you get that. There. Don't even worry about it. From me say me make you get it, me make you get it. Plus me for call my lawyer today too cause you know my funds are slow. So me make a call and me come and work on.
Alright, now I pay you.
Okay. So me get out. Very so. Alright, bye.
Bye.
Oh, yeah, no. Yo, lawyer. Yeah, man, Davi, what go on? You know what I'm saying? You look at 2 million, me have to kind of run out. So I check if you see what go on for the case. You had a 48 not free up yet. What you mean, sir? What you mean by that? No, I don't understand, because you tell me say a 50 million I forget, so you tell me say it only come like a 2 I forget, and say error did and family are fighting, and say, I don't understand. Jesus. Baby. What? So where are you, baby?
Yeah, you
You look so nice today. You look so pretty.
Thanks. I just say I couldn't play as hot, man.
Yeah, you see that?
So ready for morning.
Yeah, because you know what I say? It's I get up and go buy one soup in the morning though, cause why? Oh, me last night right now my head come like it there in the sky and my body there heavy or something. What for my drink, baby? Yeah.
You drink soup alright now.
No, I'm alright, you know, too, I'm tired, my back just hurt me feel beat out and so I just want to go and lay down and sleep till later on.
Alright then, come on then, I'm going to get some rest, cause I see something me there, you know what, I say I wait for you to come in.
Come on, man. Long time I don't lay down with you and wake you up.
Asha, no Davi that.
Backside, no Davi that.
Eh? Cooper NLC. That's why.
NC.
Come on, eh. No, sir. What are they?
Me not be.
Davi get the money.
No.
Davi get the money.
You have to
Davi
think
this.
twice.
And AI, me I see good with me two big guy them. That is Davi.
You have to think
With the
twice.
money.
I can't smarty and Davi go out. Davi not go do that.
You might Davi not go do that. Who you know about Davi?
Davi is my friend from school days from right New Chibon.
Me explain something to you, Tibby. Camera scene really had no sense. Oh, Davi, you see before when Davi did broke, He was your friend. Now you have the money, man, or your friend. Money can change people. You don't know that people have money, they don't know you
Davi
again.
did have money, Davi would have found link me. Somebody
No.
You have to think twice, but you can't think one way.
And you need to think twice because you only think one way. Say you not get the money and you get it. He tap link you before. He even get the money. Now I'm sure saying get the money. He stop link you. So you're standing. You don't believe it. Can come like saying no sense.
People are
Like
go
a
through them things, you know.
small-minded.
People are go through struggle and people have things to deal with. And every day man how can get the chance to call link me. Remember say man go through him struggles and he might go through him problem, you know. You have to think.
This is somebody, they drink NOC. And all of them and Dan Lulio, whatever they run one name and their party at night, back at night. Look like they have problem. Look like they have stress.
So somebody don't can bring them out.
If he under stress in that 9 yard.
If somebody bring you out and you under your stress, you know go
But
free
me
your mind.
go free my mind if I come back in the stress.
Sometimes you need to go carry yourself, go out or some things. When people get opportunity for bring you out, you take care and go free your mind.
You're the defender friend, but not yourself, you're defend your friend.
You know who me fi defend? No me only
You don't see the big evidence in front of your face, say, you ain't get the money and I get none.
How you know saying get it? You think pa phone can go courthouse? You think judge are gonna believe that?
That's because I'm Davi.
Davi no man.
Okay. Man, I bring out man. Man, bring out woman.
Outside. You know things are still. No business where you want to say woman corrupt. You will pretty corrupt too.
You can't see very suppose. Alright. Jada. One day. Instead of give me 10,000, more 15. What am I talking about? What is what? Alright. You know what I'm gonna do.
You say I'm up and down, so I want you.
Hot man, the fan not powerful. You tell yourself you go buy one AC, you know.
I want. Alright,
Yeah, my good man.
you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Babes, you know, Secretary showed there's some bad news for you. You know, so I tell us, say, I give big money to that. You know, so I call a lawyer when I come over here. And right now, to him, I say right now, that Monday tied up. And to the family, I take care of court and sitting there, like, it look like something I'll get it. Right now, I must say I want big legal battle go drag on for years and say that I must say right now just take the money off of my mind. Yes man, I'm the last 20,000 I depend. I tell us this man need that man to buy one soap. You make me head hot me but I news on
Hold on. What you mean by I lost 20,000 elephant? So, where do the whole of money be?
Yes, remember say me carry a hotel.
No, yeah.
Me buy one
Out of 2 million. Hold on no. You buy this, you buy that, but it's still not add up to that camera don't talk it. And if you give me 500,000 and you cut it down and give me 300,000 and you know give Tibby no money. If you say your money can't done and blabby short and something. Are you telling me say I have 20,000 left out of money? No man, something there.
Yes, me know.
So where do the whole of money?
You come like on spell or sitting there because you see from me have money, me don't know me take guy hotel. Right now me even buy myself no clothes like that. I just 2 chain and you watch them and sitting and him come on when me give you and me buy a couple of Hennessy and sit. You know what me do with the babes. He come like say I when me go to church me drop one big offering and donation. And then you know he we call it go fund me and then something there. It look like said because I get rich me too kind of not even remember say that there.
Hold on, don't get me wrong. God is in everything, right?
That's true.
But the church people, them did look after you when you're hungry at killing and white scarf I take your mouth. Then the inner take care of we. Then come giving up none at all.
Then pray for you, then give you prayer.
Hey.
And give you prayer, baby, that is enough.
Hey.
But babes, I don't say anything then, man, so.
So you have 20,000 left.
No, I don't have 20. No, when I think about it, I think I have around 10 because I think if you get it be 10 grand enough. And when he beg me for a thing, I know he did ask me for a 10 grand for a day, so I was supposed to ask me for drop off. So I tell me I have no, because see, they just all that, so I didn't give him no money. So I can't style him, I know, like, come up on my last, I have to make sure so I get half. Take me as ready.
Alright, I understand. Alright, I could lay down back.
No, so I can't, right now I come home and go drop off the money there. 4 million I'm spending here, sitting around curse or sitting babes. Wash my face and come. Last 15,000. Give 10 marks, my 15. Yeah!
Hi.
Oh, come on, yeah?
Alright.
Yeah.
Little more. Better make sure say your TV you go check card. Check it up on your phone right now. Don't shake up.
I get 15,000 I want 100,000 spent for him already.
Girl, I'm something for tell you. So I find one man. The man has spend money, the man rich. Supposed to get more than $1 million from him right now. The man say him do my nails nice, the man say him treat me nice, him treat me good.
Jada!
Hold on, they might come.
Jada!
Yeah?
Oh, you're on the phone.
You got that phone, my friend.
Oh, what kind of things are going on? Yo, you know, I see your text message though, but you know, say in a real life though, sweetheart. Come on, let me talk to you. Look on me. Jada. You know, say my rate, not true. I'm never grown, eh? You know, say 15,000 what you're asking for. We agree upon 10 already. And right now, I know say me thing I run low, you know, cause in a real life, me a boy where I'm me thing I run low. But, you know, say, my girlfriend, my dearly beloved girlfriend, she there yard and right now she's sick out. She have vomit, she have diarrhea, she have... You know, I not even know what you have. You come and call it Ebola.
The 5,000 I got owe me, interest group on it. So I gotta give me 10 and owe me 10.
Oh, I'm telling man, I leave something, man. 10 grand and nothing. It's just that because baby, their yard sick out, you know. I have to make sure say he alright and me have money. You know, anything can. Might be have to go a doctor or ambulance or something, but that's simple that. So, I don't want to ride him. Me say, you know, we can't go and go our next round.
Me said too.
Come on, then.
Okay. Okay.
How are you over here, sir? I don't...
What you say?
Baby, no, baby.
Me?
I'm sister, I want here, man. I want here, man. She's no sis. I want here, man.
Me and no sister, me I'm woman.
What do you mean by a woman drunk? Me a woman, see me a so. I mean live with.
Who you?
Hold on there. So at this your plan to do me?
What?
After me I suffer with a drunk crow. You're there so, and I mind girl with money.
What mind girl, baby?
You mind street runner with money. Street runner, you my money. Hey girl, man, how you chatting up?
Baby.
I mean chuck off your face, girl, man, how you chatting up? I say mind how you talk. Mind how you talk. Here?
What you gonna do?
Cause you can't only talk about them, you can't touch me, no girl.
What you gonna do?
Here, me
Stop
tell
now, sis, stop now, man.
These are your sister.
Baby, listen to me, I said, man.
you better know what you
Yeah,
are.
no,
Wash up your face with the
What
hair.
you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
baby, stop now, baby, stop now, man. Stop now, man.
Hey, girl, fuck them off.
What you
You girl. I'm gonna fuck them off.
Warning, me soon talk. Warning,
Me nah go.
me soon talk to you.
Fuck them off,
Put the power for you. Me soon talk to you.
Nah go.
Look at you, that girl, I jump up like you're jumping back. Like you don't know
Baby,
me.
baby, stop now,
Like
stop
you don't know
now.
me.
Baby, stop now.
Yeah.
Stop now.
Yeah. Yeah, next one, tell you for idiot boy. Let me tell you something. Me, I go tell you whole neighborhood around that's the way I do. And you see Tibby, me go tell Tibby say, the reason why your money done, and because you spend for mongrel dog. Mongrel dog, come in my no girl, come in no flesh, you know. But you can't near me because I be a bone there for me. But you have to know all the black mongrel
Come
dog.
out of me, yeah.
Yeah?
Come out of me. Come out
Yeah,
of me,
yeah,
yeah.
baby, stop now. Stop now. No, I'm a sister. She's sick. She a mental. I'm a sister. She a mental problem. Go on now. You know, stay serious. Go on now.
Who's sick? Don't see girl, who's sick?
Come out of me, yeah.
Eh, who's sick?
Stop me. No, ask her.
Davi and Tibby, dog and come out of me yard. Look
Yeah, me
out.
soon come. Yeah, me soon come. Me soon come.
You don't feel bad, your man give me all that money.
Eh? Say I give girl all that money, all right, me done with your junk crop.
Look how you look. One
Yeah, I'm a sister. Hospital him a come from.
sister. A sister she feel look.
You come like you know, no sense. One day, one me tell her something. What you feel try hold me up? She have the money. I feel her money that.
What kind of money?
Let the money. I take on her money now. See that thing was right now. Come like saying, don't make me for true. Come like him and put me out. Right now, but you me have to come live with you. Come in. I know if you go.
Come live with oh.
Come live with you.
You know say woman nearly bust up my head with buckle.
Because you point
You can't live with me.
What do you mean we can't live with you?
You cannot live with me.
Why?
Go on your woman, go on to your
We
woman.
cannot. No, you're a woman. No, you over here want cause problem and say you're a woman. No, you're a woman now.
You know your woman, baby.
What do you mean you're a woman?
Go on to your woman and say woman want bust up my head. Pipe me off. I almost broke off the fingernail them.
So me can't and want to night with them.
No.
Alright, Jayla, alright. The last thing then, my money can I really work on the leg for you. And my woman sick, and my uncle sick. And he's come like he's going to catch. I don't know when he's going to catch. But watch out, 50,000 a year where you say you take and buy rent. You're not buying a rent. You can't give me 20 back out there.
I'm saying that because you want a town. Done.
What do you mean,
say? Now.
What you mean, someone at town? Me not
You have
understand.
your woman, me have my man too.
You never tell me say you have man.
My gate.
You never tell me say you have man.
One to my gate, big man. Just one. Bye. Have a nice day. I'm gonna finish get the beat.
Yo, you know what I them sitting there when man spend their money on a hit make me then find around a dish back and they sitting there.
Done, the money done now. One
What
to
for
my
money
gate.
done?
Where?
Yo, me soon rise up
One
here.
your yard. Bright. But 120 for go rent. Go look which rent.
Father God, if Davi and take me to fool, Father God,
Don't
make me know.
Why? Tibby, what happened?
Think you have gone a long time in a see her. Have a seat.
Yeah, man, a long time.
I was bring you over here because I know Melissa gone already, you know.
Cut a long story short. You see your friend we have a few years when him David and
Your
he's
man.
a little drunk crop.
How?
Listen, I'm a man again.
How?
I left him. Yeah, you know what I say? Me go catch the boy with girl around the corner. I give the girl beer money and I spend for the girl and now he don't have nothing.
A liar tell.
What you mean by? What you
You
mean
know
by?
say uno woman are wicked. Uno are wicked.
Oh, let me tell you something. You see there when I come over the yard and you say you want a little rice or a little flour or something. When take out and get no one little bit of crackers.
No.
Eh? I turn up by the door and I watch him when he carry little crackers come give you. And I say so when he come in, Mr. Tim say, what make you so wicked? I could give you money and make him go buy where you call it. When it's somebody name rice or flour or little sugar or something where you want. Him say when the big money come in, listen to me, that boy get money, you know. Him get
Me don't
money.
believe that. Me
Him
feel-
get 2 million. Listen, him get 2 million. And him squander it out pan girl and he only give me 300,000. He say, he'll give me 5 and he give me 300,000. And then he said he'll give you 200. So I didn't come check you know. I said to him, say, you link Tibby and give Tibby 200,000 yet. You know what I say? He said, yeah, me give me So me say, oh, that nice man, that nice. So the boy say, no, he give $2,000. All more than know there's something there, eh? Big sense out of nonsense, my youth. He's a wicked boy and he ungrateful and remember where I come from and that me a talk about.
Can't believe so Davi really do me this.
Oh.
So Davi really betray me. Davi really tell me say when time things up and me and my body there. And you know say my woman just see him pan snap while ago. And me a cuss my woman say me not believe that.
You don't believe. Let me tell you something. Money change people, but me never know say how that change David done. Me never know say that change him. So where baby mother there?
My baby mother in there, me just
I'm
cuss her.
Cuss her for what?
Cause she a show me snap on me and say yo, he come like a somebody bring out Davi. And so Davi really a pre yo.
So where you see him do on his snap?
A bra for then see how much things.
Okay, cause I feel man is side girl, I want to see girl ugly and her ear picky and she black and ugly now.
I can't believe you.
I want to see how she look. She look like under the car bottom.
Imagine me and him come from.
And then me and this little dirty girl start. The girl want to war me. Oh, me want a man. I just hold her nails and they pop it off and see man how much money he spend on her. Let me tell you how me get to find out say the boy have girl.
Yeah.
Differently from how him a treat her with the money. Me and the boy lay down. I go so boom. Me hear ping on his phone. So me show the message now. Me say, you can give me 15 instead of 10,000. So me say, how which girl is a the girl name pop up Jada? So me I say, how which girl is a baby man? Money I know I say. So me say, alright, me not ask nothing to him.
Yeah.
He say I come check you. He come check it yet?
No.
He say I come check you. So me say, alright. Me I check up on his phone. So me I go watch him and see where I go. I follow the tracker, so I follow the tracker and him and the girl around the attack and him tell the girl say him will give him 10,000 and who me next 5. And oh me sick round there like a dog. Look for me and tell me sick. You look like you sick for me. Sick people that go and something. Sick people can. Which girl? Me say the boy a part, the two are we and a part. Me like say my defending woman. And I shoot me, so I know the boy shoot me, so I just start beat him too. I'm from the friend of a boy and a girl. We just start beat him. Anyways, it's so your dirty friends stay. I come to me here. I just want to tell the whole world how we stay. Yeah.
Father God, you see I know how far me and Davi are come from. You see relationship. Me divorce a relationship because I don't want nobody here and think smutty. When we used to go to school and I eat new chibon. And the boy make it out. And I can link me in getting money. And link me. And I and my part for a younger age. We are like one bulla. Me never see two man like one bulla. One duplex.
Tibby, me need to chat to you.
And you have made it to the end of the movie, guys. Thank you for watching and please subscribe, guys. Subscribe is free, guys. Bye bye.